What's going on, guys? Today we have with me some shadow light door lights from our brother's Audi A4 sitting right here. So if you see my last video about installing door lights, you know that I put some on my Mercedes-Benz C300, the same brand, shadow light. And pretty much what it does, I put my hand right under here, you can see that it shines the Mercedes-Benz logo onto the ground. And you can see it much better at night. For the Audi A4, it will shine the Audi logo instead. So installing these lights on the A4 will be the exact same process. So when installing these, what you want to do is locate your actual floor light for the door, which is going to be right here. And what I'm going to do is just go at it with a flathead screwdriver, get here on the edges, and just pop it right out. Now, once I do that, all I'm gonna do is attach the wiring from it, and then reattach these new 3D shadow projector lights. So in order to get that light off, what I did was just I grabbed both sides of this clamp right here, and I pushed them out like that on both sides, and I just use one finger to kind of slide it down. So the next thing you want to do is grab your new shadow light projector piece. As you see, they're pretty much the same setup. I'm going to slide it in the exact same way the old one came out. So just take it, line everything up, and slide it in. And as you guys can see right there, we have life. So the last step to this whole process is just tucking it right back in to where the original spot was. So take it, tuck it in right here, and just push up. It'll mount itself in place. And you can't see it great, but at night, you'll see it much better. And just do the same process for all 4 doors, and you're good to go. So I just finished the installation on all 4 doors, and that took all of 10 whole minutes to complete. And as you can see for yourself, it looks amazing. Adds a very nice touch to the car. Like I said, on all 4 doors. If you guys want to check out this kit, check out my link in the description below. It's on Amazon for like, I think it was like maybe 20 bucks for all 4. Have it on this side too. Like I said, it just adds such a clean look to the car. And it's also worthy to note the amount of detail in this logo. To get closer, you can see all the creases, all the edges, all the details in this logo. And it looks even better in person. And if you guys are interested in buying some of these shadow lights for your car, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll leave a few for Audi, Mercedes, a lot of different cars, so you can pick which one works for you. Other than that, thanks for watching.